I keep hearing this one. Oh, I'm going to wait till interest rates go back down to 3%. That would be really nice, right? But what would really have to happen in order for interest rates to drop back down to 3%? So let's break it down and see if that's really the move we want to make. 3% mortgage rate happened during a crisis. In 2020, the Fed slashed rates really low in an emergency to help the economy. Investors were pulling their money out of the stock market and putting them in safer assets like bonds. This pushed mortgage rates way down. To see 3% again, this is what we need to have happen. A serious recession, high unemployment, a real slowdown in spending, and the Fed stepping in to rescue the economy. So sure, it could happen, but do we really want to buy a house in a market like that? Or do we want to root for those things to happen? Here's the better play. Marry the house, date the rate. Buy your house now. And then when interest rates go down, refinance your home. But waiting for 3% to come back, you could miss out on the house of your dreams and competition can go up. Want a real strategy in this market? DM me, plan, and let's make a plan that works for your situation.